And here is the prosciutto spice. Super easy to do. Ooh, looks pretty. And of course, super delicious. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated, from quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my Creative Carnivore Kitchen. Today, carnivore ingredients and methods. And here, prosciutto spice. Super easy to make, but super delicious. It is better to use prosciutto with not a lot of fat around here. Sometimes there's like much more. So it's better to use slices that don't have a lot of fat. And now just gonna leave them on this rack and let them dry out at room temperature. I even wanna take this fat off. That's delicious. I'm gonna eat that. And now it's totally dried out, the prosciutto. So I can put it here. Yeah, here the fat things, I take those out, I eat those, they're delicious. Well, you can also make big pieces like that or smaller. And here is the prosciutto spice. Super easy to do. Ooh, looks pretty. And of course, super delicious. Tastes like prosciutto, of course, but much more strong. It's stronger because it's dried. It's like, even to me, it has like a spice. So like it's a little bit spicy, but I don't tolerate real spiciness. So like hotness, so this is perfect, this is good. Agüita. Oh yeah. Servus. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.